Hello everyone, I'm Naren. So if you guys are bored of using Windows and you think that it's a very bad theme or something, okay, let me show you something uh, better than that. Okay, wait for a second. This is not going to be a Windows theme or something. This is a OS. After watching this OS, you will think for a second, yeah, can I install this or can I use this as a secondary OS? Secondary OS means like dual boot or something. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. So this is the OS. How beautiful is this? Okay, so let me quickly change the wallpaper. After changing the wallpaper, you will see the difference. Okay, so I'm changing this. Okay, apply. Yeah, this is that much beautiful. Okay, just opening terminal. Okay, so let's see. Can you see how how good the animations, the wobble effects are? Okay, like jelly effect, you can say. This is Garuda Linux. Okay, so it's better than in the matter of theme. Okay, in the matter of theme and experience, I in my personal opinion, Garuda is better than Windows. Okay, so this is the Arch based Linux OS. Okay, and Indian OS, I guess Garuda is Indian OS. You can use it. So there is lot of options. I am not going to explore. I am just I came here to give you a rough overview of this. Let me open the folders. The folders are okay. Let me maximize it. Okay. Okay. The icons are very good. Okay. So the animation, you can see the animation, na? Great animation by. Okay. So settings, we can open it. So yeah, you can see the settings. You can see the that the everything has this jelly kind of animation. I like this thing. Okay, and yes, I think it's a Indian OS because you can see the font kind of thing. uh, yeah, definitely I will search that on Google or that. Okay, so you can see the start menu or something. Okay, there is lot of options. Is there any internet? Okay, internet, Fire Dragon browser. Is there any extra browser? No, I guess. Okay, let me open this one. It's opening. Okay. Fire Dragon. I think it's a Firefox browser based on. I mean to say it will be based on Firefox. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Okay. So oh, it don't have internet access because I turned off my internet. Okay. Okay. Sorry for that. I am going to resume pause the video. Okay, after I connect my device to the internet then I will resume this. Okay, so yeah, I connected my internet. So this is the Fire Dragon, and now I am thinking yeah, it is based on Firefox. Okay, so let me quickly search. Is Garuda Indian OS, sorry, okay, it's verifying I am human or robot. I am a robot. Introduction about Garuda. Okay, so as you can see, there is first website which is telling that is Garuda Linux Indian OS. The code developer are from India and Germany, but there are smart mattering from other places. अच्छा, smattering from other places. अच्छा, ये भी है. Okay, there is Garuda Linux was released on 26 March 2020 by is it Srinivasan Vishnu Kumbha. भाई क्या नेम है. University student from India and SGS from Germany. Okay, so it is not totally Indian, but it's kind of mixture of India and tech enthusiast and Germany. Okay, so not totally based on India, but you can see the beauty of this OS. Okay, I opened the Garuda's Rani. Okay, let's see what's this. It's not opening or something. Yeah, so, I don't know. Fire Dragon. This is Fire. Sim, like based on Firefox. Okay. Okay. So you can try this OS because there is lots of options. Let me see the panel. Okay, sound. Okay, you can device and applications. There is no application. Okay, yeah, you can see the animations. What is this thing? Okay, Garuda current user. Okay, you can try this OS because this is a very nice OS, and don't just be a part of just a limited window experience of limited OS like Windows, or if you are Mac user, just only Mac. You can try different OSs like Garuda Linux, then Kali Linux, Arch Linux, like Black Arch, then Ubuntu, another OS. Okay, you can take the experience. This is not going to harm you. Okay, you can gather that experience, and you can think that yeah, in my life I tried several ways. Okay, thank you. This is it for the video. I'm going to stop the recording, and thanks for watching. Okay.